here's why. If you are a free-to-play in Brawl Stars, then you need to max out these 3 brawlers as a free-to-play, because these brawlers will always be broken. So starting with Mipple, he has always been great for taking, simply because of his homing ability that deals a lot of damage. But even if you nerf him, Brawl Stars can never take this ability away. But fun fact, this skin of Mipple has a hidden secret, because his bullets kind of wiggles when it moves, and it is really confusing for the enemy. But another brawler is Baddie Mina, because not only she is very fun to play, but she also got the range, movement and damage. But you need to practice and get good. But there is one brawler that is destroying everything. I am not talking about EMZ, because this OG brawler can destroy tanks with his timing. He even got a reverse which makes it harder to dodge, and he can also heal his teammates.